If everything was what it was to be, if I could see that which is really me, and go with that, and know every breath that is taken is a part of a process in which we awaken the latent potential in our being. In all this, we still exist. For a time whilst we stay in rhyme, but we have all collectively committed a crime. That is not kind. With which everyone will soon find ourselves in a serious bind. So if you do not mind, play with your neighbor, trust yourself if to fall into nature's lap, that you don't snap and be given a slap and fall into a bowl of crap. There is nothing left to say. Only remains the desire to say that the glass glistens, gleams in the gun. The birds opened this morning with their song, and though through despair and heinous lack of care, they try to make us cry, even die. Life will glow, will continue to open its expansive show, tolerant to the new, to all in view. We will survive, and life will be alive, even though in death it takes a rest, only to spring forth again to do its best.